Have you been checking your iPhone over and over again only to find that the iOS 27 update isn't showing up in settings? Or maybe you're eager to try the latest iOS 27 beta but can't figure out how to install it. If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly why the iOS 27 update may not be appearing on your device and the steps you can take to install the iOS 27 beta successfully. One of the most common reasons the iOS 27 update doesn't appear is that your iPhone may not be compatible with the new software. Apple typically drops support for some older devices with major iOS releases, so the first thing you should do is verify that your iPhone supports iOS 27. Next, make sure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network and has enough battery life. Software updates can be large, and a weak connection may prevent your iPhone from finding or downloading the update properly. After that, open the Settings app, tap General, and then Software Update. Give your iPhone a few moments to check Apple's servers for available updates. If iOS 27 still doesn't appear, look for an option called Beta Updates. Tap on it and select either the iOS 27 Developer Beta or Public Beta, depending on what is available for your Apple ID. If you don't see the Beta Updates option, make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID that is enrolled in Apple's beta program. Once you're signed in, restart your iPhone and check for updates again. Another helpful solution is to update your iPhone to the latest public version of iOS before trying to install the beta. Running outdated software can sometimes prevent newer beta versions from appearing. Once the iOS 27 beta becomes available, simply tap, download, and install, agree to the terms and conditions, and wait for the installation process to finish. Your iPhone will restart, and after a few minutes, you'll be able to experience the latest iOS 27 features. Before installing any beta software, remember to create a full backup of your iPhone. Beta versions are still in testing and may contain bugs, performance issues, or app compatibility problems. And that's how you can fix the iOS 27 update not showing in settings and successfully install the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you get the latest update running on your device. If it did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest iPhone tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.